Samsung's Galaxy S23 series is of such exceptional quality that it could potentially have a negative impact on the company in the future. Samsung has created what is arguably its best flagship smartphone series in a long time. The Galaxy S lineups were already mostly great over the last few years, but they suffered from one major issue. That issue was the company's use of Snapdragon chips in some markets and Exynos chips in others, with the latter usually having lower performance or efficiency issues. Well, Samsung finally gave up this year and got rid of its in-house Exynos chipsets. The Galaxy S23 series has all the good stuff that made the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S21 series so desirable, like amazing cameras, displays, designs, and software support. It also exclusively uses the latest flagship Snapdragon processor and a version that is specifically customized for Samsung's phones and offers amazing performance and battery life that's hard to believe. We still don't know if all that is simply a result of the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip being amazing in general or because Samsung made additional optimizations in partnership with Qualcomm and probably Google. We just know that this is like the millionth time we're going all gaiva over the battery life you get on the Galaxy S23 series, and I actually feel this could cause Samsung some embarrassment later. After seeing what's possible with the Galaxy S23 series, I and pretty much everyone else is going to start expecting every new Samsung flagship to replicate the S23 series performance and battery life, whether it's 2023's foldables or next year's Galaxy S24. And if the company is unable to do that, it could get embarrassed as those newer devices get reviewed and talked about online. Samsung has effectively backed itself into a corner here. The Galaxy S23 series is now the gold standard that future Galaxy flagships must match or exceed, especially when it comes to battery life and performance, or Samsung could see all the praise it has received about the Galaxy S23 turn into the negative press in the blink of an eye. As a Samsung fan site, we are naturally hoping the company will succeed, but for now, all we can do is wait and see what actually happens. What do you think about today's video? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.